Number The second is self-traveler. Number 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out the window. Number 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4. Thou shalt not take any chance. Number 5. Thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Number 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy bike. Number 7. Thou shalt not drive which one light or which faulty light. Number 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limits. Number 9. Thou shalt keep the distance. Number 8. Thou shalt practice practice. The last is self-clearance. Number 1. Keep right. Number 2. Observe courtesy. Number 3. Prohibited parking. Number 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5. The bus stop rule. Lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6. Rule to prevent the untangled traffic jams. Number 7. Observe traffic management measure. Number 8. The philosophy in Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicle. Number 9. On pedestrian. Number 10. Remember the international driver serve reminders.